starting off with Produce, as you can see, it's a web-based application. So all you and your end users need to access this is an internet browser. Once you've clicked to access the site, depending on what groups have been assigned to your user profile, determines what projects you'll be able to see on this homepage. Clicking on any one of these links will open up the associated web form. So for instance, if I click on the employment contract, that will redirect me to the associated web form. So it'll open up the employment contract and the associated questions for this web form. Depending on the questions that I've used while building my project within design, determines what the end user will actually see within this web form. And also at the time of building, you'll click and drag any of your business rules onto each question, and it will dynamically show and hide the questions in relation to the conditions that you've applied. In here it will contain conditional questions, so we can dynamically load questions relevant to the end user's answers that they've provided within the web form. It will also ask for mandatory details, so the user must adhere to any validation that we've applied, such as mandatory fields and simple validation or complex validation against any one of these fields. So for instance, a first name must be a maximum of 50 characters. Once the user has adhered to any validation and filled out all of their questions, you can cycle through the web form and fill out any details. As you can see, we've got a date picker up on the screen here. So we can provide nice controls to the end user to collect the relevant information for our output. Submitting the application will trigger off any actions and also generate any output that we've previously elected during publishing.